Here are a few things you can do if you don't want to spend a lot more money, and in some cases you won't spend any more money as long as the decking manufacturer has different colors for the decking you're planning on using. So instead of a deck with the same colored decking boards, let's go ahead and add two different colored boards on the ends. And it's a common design to run a perimeter board with a different color around your deck. So keep that in mind as another option also. Another idea would be to do something like this, or this, bring two in from the edges instead of skipping one. And of course, another design option would be to use two decking boards and alternate to create a pattern like this, or simply alternate each color, working your way all the way down to the end. And you could always have a different colored decking board on each side like we have here. Or do something like this where you put two of them in different spots, suggesting that there would be quite a few possibilities to create a variety of different designs simply by locating some of the different colored boards in different spots. And another design might be to have a couple of different boards in the center. And this might look good if you have a set of stairs coming up in the center of the deck, where you could simply add more decking depending upon the width of the stairway to create some type of a path of travel or a line of travel. You would basically guide the users of the deck in one direction, especially if that direction leads to a doorway into the building. And if you are interested in creating a pathway like you would with a sidewalk, where you might have grass or gravel, something decorative on each side of the path, you could extend this particular color into that area. For example, you could go down a stairway to another deck to create a nice architectural detail and something that would guide visitors from one part of the deck to the other.